Mushrooms.
Shrooms have very good benefits if it's used with good intention, like anything else, you know? Your mind, if you take enough, you might be out your body. And if you start thinking negatively, the whole vibe just changed. Like,
Negative, but I tried
I
the
feel
chocolate.
like I'm gonna go for
When I tried the chocolate though, it made me just feel
I
like
tried
I was
it
high
once.
and shit. It made me feel like I was smoking like, you know, you smoking like some.
how much did you eat?
I ate a lot, I ain't gonna lie. I had like, it shows you like the levels on there. It's gonna say something regular, mid, and the last one says God love you. Or some shit like that.
Probably the whole pack.
I ate the whole bag. I just like,
Yeah.
it started with a nibble, then I said, this tastes not good. Oh Lord. I'm kinda hungry though. Then it went into, it got done. So I ain't gonna lie. All I remember is this. I was on the couch like this. I was supposed to be recording in the booth. I was talking to the engineer. He was on the chocolate as well. So it was all, everybody in the studio was all fucked up. Mind you, I'm ready to do the song. I'm on go. But for some reason, I'm in the couch and I said, alright, whenever they say we can go. Whenever they're ready. And he's looking at me, waiting for me to go. He looking at me like, then magically I found myself sleeping like this. I went and I was done for. And I thought I was up for like 2 hours straight. When I woke up though, it was only less than 20 minutes. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I felt like I was sleeping for like 2-3 days.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I got up, I'm like, oh, I'm looking at him, I'm like, yo, whoa, shit, how long was I out for, bro? I'm out way late, he's like, nah, bro, it was like a few minutes, no, you good. I'm like, what? And said, you sure? I said, God damn, I ain't fucking with that shit no more. Yeah. I went around the corner, checked in, all the homies, they was, that polka dot chocolate will do it to you. You know what you need to wash that down after a long day.
Oh my
refreshing
god,
Prime,
yo.
Drink Prime.
It's better. Yo.
So,
I sent my email earlier. Go ahead and email this bio.
Understand your account tonight.
Oh my
We're gonna get
god.
at you for real because I think we're supposed to be over here.
Nah, but I
Drink
drink
Prime.
for real.
Blue
Well, I
Raspberry.
tried the chocolate once. It was the matcha chocolate,
Ooh.
the green tea. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes good, but
How'd you feel?
I was just gonna say, like, I was drunk and high as well, and I was drinking after I ate it and smoked after I ate it. So it was a little bit of everything, but it did reach a point where I was like, why the fuck? Like, this is not from the weed. This is not from the liquor. Well, I feel like this.